It's a certified 2016 Honda Accord sedan. Year after year, the Accord is showered with awards and praise. Take a look and it's easy to see why. Drive it and you'll know why. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, multifunction steering wheel, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and external memory control. Car and Driver points out the steering, the brakes, and the suspension work in harmonious balance to make the Accord seem agile and springy. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
For a great selection of quality vehicles, call, click, or stop in to Bill Marine Honda today. We're conveniently located at 579 East North Street, Springfield.